Atlanta Limited. The company deals with infrastructure and mining projects. The company has serviced some key authorities in India like National Highway Authority of India, Public Works Department, Surface Transport Ministry, many municipality corporations, Airport Authorities of India. However, currently Atlanta is considered as a penny stock. Why? Because it is available at a very low price of around 20 rupees. So did we select this stock for today's analysis is that it is forming an interesting price action pattern. So let us do a complete price action analysis on Atlanta. So this is the weekly technical chart of Atlanta as on 4th January 2022. Draw a trend line from the previous high. So from 2019 we have drawn a trend line till the current date. This is forming a nice resistance line over there because the price from 2019 till today, the price has never come beyond this resistance line. The price is not able to cross the resistance line. So currently price is trading near the resistance line, and if you look to the chart closely, you'll find it is forming two reverse shoulders with a head in the middle. Like this is the left shoulder and this is the right shoulder, and there is a head in the middle. So this is a clear formation of reverse head and shoulder pattern. So this pattern is considered as a very bullish. This is a bullish indication. So when it will be considered as bullish, so it should form a bull bar like this, strong bull breakout like this, and it has to be supported by a huge volume like this. Then it will be considered as a successful head and shoulder pattern. So with a stop loss kept near 16 region, the higher price can be eyed on. So to understand the upward potential of this stock, we need to see its monthly chart. So this is the monthly chart of Atlanta. You can see a nice rounding bottom has been formed. If you draw this resistance line, if the price crosses this resistance line, then next visible trend line is somewhere near 80. So from 20 to 8, it is a 4 times the price can move in case this resistance, blue color resistance zone is broken strongly. Next, suppose if crosses the pink color resistance line at 80, then it has a potential to go up to the lifetime high near the 120 zone, but that will be a very optimistic. We will be looking for achieving a lower target. So this is the complete price action analysis on Atlanta. Please keep this stock in your radar and observe the price movement in the coming days. If you want to get early indication on such type of stocks or price action analysis, then please stay tuned to this channel. We will bring such potential multi-bagger stocks in our future videos. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for your valuable time. Please like, share this video, and please also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye for today.